Want to post a story on TikTok with more than one image, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add multiple photos in one TikTok story post. Now let's get started. To add multiple photos in one TikTok story post, open the TikTok app and tap the plus sign in the bottom menu. Then select Photo. Tap the Layout option in the menu on the right. This will allow you to add multiple photos to your story. You can select one of the grid options based on how many photos you want to add to your post. You can add 2, 3, 4, or 6 images based on which grid option you choose. You can then snap a new photo to fill each frame, or upload images from your camera roll by tapping the photo icon in the bottom left corner. Select the photos in the order you want them to appear from top to bottom and left to right. Once you've added all your photos, you can proceed with editing your story and adding music, text, and other elements. When you're done editing, tap Your Story to post it. That's all it takes to add multiple photos to one TikTok story. Want to learn more about using TikTok? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.